Hey everybody, hey my people watching in different countries in America, Canada, Brazil, everywhere. I really salute you and I want to show you this 3 minutes video about Afro hairstyles. These Afro hairstyles are so stylish. They are natural. They also include crochets. They include like some curls, some extensions. Oh my goodness, you're gonna love this video. Yeah, so if it's your very first time, please make sure you subscribe. You click on the notification bell when you subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Tell me about your best, and also don't forget to like because I've really done a great job of making up this video. These hairstyles are so beautiful, so protective, and they are trending right now. Oh my goodness, they are in different colors and they support, as I have already told you, they are protective. That means they support hair growth, and if your hairline is broken, it's going to be restored when you try any of these hairstyles. They are Afro hairstyles. They are so beautiful, and you can see people who tinted their hair. They also look good with tinted Afro hairstyles. Some of them are curly, some are coiled, but they are all Afro hairstyles that are trending right now in this year of 2026. Don't forget, I'm your boy JK from Hair Crown UG. I'm a professional hairdresser and a hairstylist. And on this channel, as I promised you, I'm gonna be giving you, and I've always been doing it. You can salute me for that. I've always been giving you tips about hair. I've always been teaching you how to protect your hairlines, how to protect your hair, how to treat your hair. And here, this is a video of tremendous hair Afro hairstyles, as you can watch. Yes, I've always been giving you tutorials. So, my dear, you just have to thank me by subscribing and sharing. You remember, sharing is caring. Yeah, I think let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video, but please don't forget that we are uploading other videos, and we upload videos every single day. So tomorrow morning, of course, we are uploading other new videos. Please stay tuned and tell your friends that Hair Crown UG is here for all your hair needs. Yeah, regardless of the years, we do bring you hairstyles of all age limits, of all age brackets. Yeah, so here is the video for you. Please watch it. These are Afro hairstyles for all hair types. For C, for it doesn't matter which hair type you have. These are Afro hairstyles for all hair types. Let me leave you for now and see you tomorrow in another video. I love you. Bye bye.